Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if Windows cannot be installed. Something happened and the Windows couldn't be installed. Please try again. Error code 0x80070714. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to locate this SQL services, so SQL. So I'm going to scroll down here, and you could just click on a random service and start typing it. So you're going to notice there's multiple SQL services in here. So anything that's a startup type automatic, you want to go ahead and double click on it. Select manual, and then select apply and OK. And then you see there's another automatic service. Go ahead and set that to manual as well. Apply and OK. And then finally, there should be one more in here. We're going to set that to manual, stop the service, and then select apply and OK. Once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should hopefully have been a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.